This is our planet. This is us. These are the places where we live, work, learn, produce things, and entertain. We have a name for these places: buildings. Buildings serve the world's 7.9 billion population. Do we really know the industry that we interact with every day? 38% of global annual carbon dioxide produced by the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. This means 19 gigatons of CO2 need to reduce with the joint efforts. This is the right time to reduce the carbon footprints produced by the AEC industry. Get digital, get sustainable. Because sustainability is safety we provide to next generation.